Rumor sandoiba singsu, please delete this post. Rumor sandokpiganu, whosoever you are, BJP, Amasung BJP ka mari lainaba, BJP supporter, aduga khangjadana, hajik Facebook ta social media da share tawriba singadu, madu delete tokthokpi ko, aduga sigumba oidra padraba news se masigumba rumor se masida support tawbiganu, ayin gi matungina akoi legal proceedings su lawkhalakani, koi ngasi pung kharagi mamangda hajik yam kanna Facebook ta social media da viral oidana WhatsApp ta aiha gi samakki ming sizinare hairaga photo na chingba sizinare hairaga kanagumba maruoina BJP ga loina ba mayam na tawre hairaga ngasi ai as an advocate oina ngasi gi Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India da alleged audio tape leak case samgi matang da ai si petitioner dugi council oi haidana aran prasar mayam ama sandokta ngasi Facebook ta jujik viral oibda natana mayamna akhoi gi rumor do sandokpada natana makhal makhagi akhoi oidaba conclusion mayam pidana defamation tawba intimidation tawba mayamda lebak praja mayamda lan ohanba masi gi matang dani ai ha isamak ki Facebook amasung Twitter da pungkhar gi mamangda ai hakna madugi matang da phajana haijagre madudi hairiba case asida ai isamak petitioner की माइकई दिगिसु respondent union of India respondent की माइकई दिगिसु party मोइना आई हा को as an advocate ओइना engage तो किबसु लैते लाग consult तो किबसु लैते अदु कमदौना BJP अमसुंग मखोई की मी खरना politically motivated ओइबे मी खरना आई हा पु अमसुंग मखोई की कांग्रेस पार्टी बु चिंगछलगा मी मणिपुर की खंग हैरबा मियाम प्रजा ममांगदा लान ओहनबसे मसीदी यामना illegal ओइ unfortunate oi haibet nasadana ngasi ai samagna honorable governor da maramdi manipur ase hojik president rule lairimna honorable governor da ha ki later ma hojik pisan jargani ma ki secretary to the governor da masi WhatsApp ta hajakre manipur ki director general of police manipur ki chief secretary manipur ki additional director general of police makoi da so loina bag masi ki letter sing se online da WhatsApp ta makoi moi personal number da hajakre ado hajik chief secretary da su thana ba tawri my personal WhatsApp number da sigumba aran ba pawse da akoi na haja ningli badi advocate haibasi engage tawnu gi damakta appear tawnu gi damakta party aduna wakalat nama da sign da ma darkar tai client adugi Supreme Court ta ngasi chathaki ba case aduda mayam na khangbi biu maduri chief justice Chandrachud na COVID की मतम दगी कोई वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से लिंक तौरे मणिपुर की हाई कोर्ट लोइना बग सुप्रीम कोर्ट गुजरात हाई कोर्ट एनी हाई कोर्ट हजुक्ति BC लिंक खतनी एनी वन अदुद संग ग येंग बे मीडिया की मी म्याम लिसिंग लाख लाख ती येंगी बजे अदुगा अदुदा कनागुम खरना ngasi की केस दी वर्क की केस की मतंग 2 PM दगी हवी 10:30 दगी अजुम मेंशनिंग तोब मयाम हौग्रे अखोई दी एज ए प्रोफेशन द लैबनिना हिरम गुनिमुक्ता ऑनलाइन लोइनो प्रेजेंट तौई एनी हाई कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट सो मरमदी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग आज डिजिटली कनेक्ट तौरबनि अखोई इंडिया लैब कोर्ट खुरिमक्से अदुदा कनागुम खरना आई अदुदा थोलकपदो उरे हरगा हजिकी केस अदुगी मतंग द पिटिशनर की उकिल लोइरे हाइना संडोकबसे मसीदी यामना ट्रेजेडी नि मसी बुंग नोकनिंगबदि लैते aduna akoina thamjiningli basi rumor se karai digi sandorake haiba matam sida BJP amasung makoi ge saminari ba makoi ge supporter makoi ge like minded kangbu singte gi sandorai adu ngasi gi manipur asidi hojiki turmoil leiraba sahi ani phajalakadra basi gi turmoil sida anything anytime sigumbe rumor se thola ga mi gi yum mai thaba mi bu hat patu pa tawba sina ba hona ba makhal makha kyarum tawbu yai tawsu tawki ba thengna kre aduna haji akoina adudakini ai isamak na governor da chief secretary da DGP da masi ai boy na ngasi ijari basi maramdi masi ki rumor se masi na han basu natte aroi basu oigani haiba thajade adubu sigumba rumor se na tholakpadagi ngasi manipur se ngasi tarmol ki phibam se lairi bane ba aduna bharat ki संविधान की मखादा नागरिक अमा ओइबदा नतना मियोइबा अमा ओइना फंडामेंटल राइट्स हाइबसे लाइरी राइट टू लाइफ एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज हाइबसे मसी की फंडामेंटल राइट्स से प्रोटेक्ट तौबियु हाइदना सिदा करिगुंबा फतनुंग थोगदी मणिपुर के गवर्नर चीफ सेक्रेटरी DGP अमसुंग BJP अमसुंग मखोय के लोइना समिनरिबा मीसिंग दायित्व लौगदबनी हाइबसिनी अहागना थमजनिंगी बसे अदुगा ngasi di state ki level ire hayeng di Bharat ki Rashtrapati ji Pradhan Mantri Home Minister Amit Shah ji resu iragani aduga Chief Justice of India Honorable Supreme Court of India ki Chief Justice of India resu masugumba rumors ki matang da professionally ai ki maming bu direct to base masi ki matang su chithi ama soidani iragani aduga haji ki oina di Manipur ki haji ki president rule lairibani na Manipur asi it's under the president rule through the governor of Manipur Mahaki secretary to the governor of Masichi Pishangre, Masida in Hajari Basi, request for security of life and properties and protection against maligning name of myself, the undersigned, in an unconnected case of alleged audio tape case in Honorable Supreme Court of India. I got Mari Sulay Lenda case Amada, Ayak Poduki Ukil O Yahaina or the Padaban Namsan Base. Masidi, it is malicious, defamatory, and Sigumba rumors in a Sanduoga, rumors Sandoiba Singsu, please delete this post. Rumors Sandopiganu, whosoever you are, BJP, Amasung BJP ka Mari Lainaba, BJP supporter, Aduga Kangjadana, Hajik Facebook, social media, share Toliba Singadu, Madu delete Tokpiko, Aduga Sigumba Oidra Padaba, news say Masigumba, rumors say Masida support Tobiganu, Ayan Gimatungina, Akoi legal proceedings, Lokalakani, Hajiki Oinadi, constitutional position da lairiba sing adugo authorities sing da akoi ishagi oina protection of life and properties adu karigumba masida atopa akaya to thokthang damakta masi akoi security protection gi damakta akoi ni iraga haijabani adu sigumbe rumors se masi aikoi dabukta advocate ama oina congress ki all india congress committee ki position ama da leiro sibukta ashumaina kashu naitana pung khara da ming ase direct tawraga photo sijinaraga aisa gi maming direct tawraga facebook ta post tawriba sing maming matha loina leire screenshot loina lahore isa na khangaga hajik pung tarani thoi gi manung de isa na delete tawbiu karigumba tawdaba thoga di isa gi facebook ki link whatsapp ki link WhatsApp group ta admin waribi singna madugi daita lobiu WhatsApp group ta mayama sandokpa khoi thengnare Supreme Court ki judgment mayama su lai ghrabani WhatsApp group ki admin aduga social media ki Facebook group ki admin isa na daita lobiu isa na madu delete thokbi ko isa na personal Facebook account social media ki account ki thagala gasu madugi daita lore haraga delete tobi ko maduguma arana pawadu aduga iriba khudimakna apology tobiu aranba pawni haibadu haibiramu karigumba hairam da thoklagadi within 12 hours after 12 hours akoi legal proceeding lokalagani aduga loina na sasan nasi president rule ki mahada leiringai sida sigumba rumor sandokpada authority na hoji phokta tumina leibase sumoto case amta lakhotta base masi thawingi tahulabra haina singnabasu lai masi yamna laibak thibani friends I hang na ngasi Facebook ta Twitter da thamjaki ba statement do mayam da mutang pathok sake maduri there is a rumor going around that I have appeared as an advocate for petitioner in the alleged leaked audio tape case in Supreme Court. I have to inform you all that I am not a counsel or advocate of the petitioner or any party or the respondent in the said alleged leaked audio tape case. It's extremely unfortunate to see the spread of rumor and false news dragging my name in a case which is not related with me. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent in the alleged audio tape in the Supreme Court has engaged me as their advocate. I have neither signed in their wakalatnama nor met any of the petitioner or the respondent in the case. Please do not spread rumor. Sigi statements on Facebook and Twitter da punghar mang da thamjakram. Despite that, BJP amasung mahaki party na sandorai. I want clarification from BJP Manipur Pradesh, BJP Manipur Pradesh President. What is your intent? Congress ki mingshina raga ayha ki mingshina raga sigumba aranba prasar tawraga lebak irang mai honaba amuka siliba BJP ki kari propaganda no ba BJP ki mayama social media da Facebook ta makoi hapakpa makoi ki mi mayam tek tawpa mayam na loin khange khoi loin screenshot lawraga lehore madu tawbidna ba BJP ki Manipur Pradesh ki president da haijari karigumba pung train thoki manung lathorpa ta dragadi legal proceedings will be taken place. Aduga loina na masidani ahak na hajari base masigi letter sida in this background of serious concern of spreading rumor like wildfire in a few minutes on social media. I request your cooperation and support in stopping the rumor and false news and further request you to kindly provide me security protection for my life and properties as enshrined in the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Haidana Governor da, Chief Secretary da, DGP, additional DGP da masibak I ijakre makoi ki concerned secretary sing aduga personal level WhatsApp person WhatsApp number hajakre. Now I will hand over this officially in their respective offices. Ado I will briefly say so in English. Mayam da hak na hajaningi masi Manipur ki prajada sigumba rumor sila thajabiganu aduga sigumba rumor sandoiba singdisu support tobiganu aduga karigumba khangdana tobiramagadi madu delete tobikho aduga kariguma thawengi sum masigi press conference leina sigi matung dubuk tawrakadi makogi mathakta legal action solution lagokani aduga hayengdi masigi matangda Bharat ki Rashtrapati ji Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji Bharat ki Grah Mantri Amit Shah ji da aha isamangne letter iragani aduga Supreme Court of India ki Chief Honorable Chief Justice of India da su masamak da su ai isamangne letter iragani. Friends, it is very surprising that my name has been dragged in a case which is not related with me. There is an ongoing case related with an alleged audio tape case in the Honorable Supreme Court today. And there's a social media rumor going around, false news, saying that I was the advocate, the counsel of the petitioner in that alleged audio leak case in the Supreme Court today. Friends, I have already stated my statement both on Facebook and Twitter. It has appeared that some persons from BJP and BJP have spread this rumor, maligning my name, dragging my name along with the Congress party, saying that we are connected with that case. That case is nothing to do with me professionally. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent nor any party has come to engage me. I am not even their counsel, I am not even their advocate. I am not signing their wakalatnama. But in a few hours, within 2 hours, it has spread like wildfire. Who is benefiting this? Who is benefiting by maligning, by spreading false rumors against me as an advocate, against the Congress party? It is only the BJP and his cohorts. So I am urging the people of Manipur and those who are on social media, kindly delete your posts, these rumor posts, which is not connected with me. You must know, friends, today, in today's world of digital era, Supreme Court hearing, High Court hearing, District Court hearing, any court hearing, they can be watched online by anyone through video conferencing. Now, if your name comes and appears for that, will you say that you have become an advocate for that party? That is most bizarre. That's the most bizarre that I have seen and I have heard. And this is not a mere coincidence. This, I believe, has been done with a deliberate plan to attack me. I have written a letter to the Honorable Governor because Manipur is under the President's rules. I have written the same letter to the Chief Secretary of Manipur, to the Director General of Police and Additional Director General of Police Manipur to ensure my life and protection as enshrined in as fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. I have already given my statement already on social media, but despite that, these people, some people, anti-social elements, people linking with the BJP they have furthered the spreading of the rumor. So it is my humble request and indeed my humble appeal to all of you, kindly delete this post which is false, fabricated, which is nothing to do with me professionally or otherwise. Neither the petitioner nor the respondent has come to me, has engaged me as an advocate. And now, within 2-3 hours, they have spread the news that I have appeared for them, I have argued for them, I have become the petitioner's counsels. Friends, if anything happens to me, the Governor of Manipur, the Chief Secretary, DGP and the BJP and his cohorts must be held responsible. Tomorrow, I'll be writing the letter to the Honorable President of India, to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, in this regard, so that I should be protected. I and my properties need to be protected. At the same time, I will be writing a letter to the Honorable Chief Justice of India of Honorable Supreme Court. Friends, we have to be extremely cautious about such rumor. This is not the first and I hope this is the last rumor ever here in the state of Manipur. In our state, which is being turmoil for the last 2 years, such rumors have destroyed Manipur. We, the people of Manipur, must stand unitedly against such false news. I humbly appeal to those who have shared on social media, kindly delete those rumors, those false news. Otherwise, after 12 hours, we will go for legal proceedings against them. I also request the admins of the WhatsApp groups, admins of Facebook pages to ensure that to bind by the legalities. And the law says that any false news, rumor need not to be posted, need to be deleted. And this is again my humble reminder to all of you. kindly, if you are an admin of a WhatsApp group, because I have been seeing WhatsApp group is still going on viral on WhatsApp group and on Facebook pages, please, dear admins, please do your responsibility by deleting this rumor, this false news. And also, if you are still further posting as an individual social handle accounts, we will be taking the screenshot and taking your Facebook link, Google link, Twitter link, and we'll be giving the same thing as per the law after 12 hours tomorrow. And this is the need of the hour. And friends, I am indeed happy that at this odd hour you have all come.